Sleep log holds a ton of information about an individual's sleep habits. We can analyze this information for his sleep habits or sleep patterns and even analyze his future sleep patterns based on this information. For instance, let us consider the log file sleep log analysis of an individual, like date, when he slept, when he got up, his duration, how quickly he fell asleep, how easily he got up, etc. And analyze this information to know his sleep patterns and future sleep patterns as well using ELK stack. We pass the information in Logstash, store it in Elasticsearch, and then visualize it in Kibana. Let us analyze and visualize this in Kibana. Percentages of his sleep durations are shown in this pie chart. We can see that he slept 6 hours only 4% of the time. Now I am curious and want to know the relation between how quickly he fell asleep and how he felt afterwards. For this, I went to Visualization tab in my Kibana and then selected the metrics as follows. Here I want to analyze for every single day based on how much duration he slept, then how he felt afterwards. We can even dig down by selecting a portion of the graph. Green shows the duration and blue shows how he felt afterwards. To visualize the pattern for the same, I created a line graph. From this pattern, we can analyze that if he had good duration of sleep, then he felt good. Now, I'm interested in knowing about how quickly he fell asleep and how he felt afterwards. From this pattern, it is evident that when he quickly fell asleep, he felt good afterwards. Now, to visualize all these graphs together, I created a dashboard called Sleep Analysis. Here, I added all the graphs I created. The dashboard filters applied to all the visualizations and show the patterns for the metrics we created. I created various graphs to analyze his sleep patterns. The dashboard helps me to further dig down, filter and sort individual graphs. I can easily understand different patterns in the data at a single place through dashboard. Now I'm curious to know his further or future sleep patterns. For this, Elasticsearch offers a tool called machine learning, which can train the model with existing data and then create the future job using the machine learning tool and then run it to show the anomalies in the given data. I'm analyzing 3-year sleep logs of an individual here. The result shows the anomalies in the given data, based on which we are training the model to further predict the future analysis of his sleep patterns. We have data till January 31st, 2018. I want to predict the sleep patterns of this individual in the next 1 month, creating a forecast and then running the forecast. The yellow color segment at the end represents the future prediction of his sleep patterns for 1 month. Based on the given data and anomalies, we can predict that his sleep patterns will be in this way for the next 1 month. In this way, we visualized, analyzed, and future predicted an individual's sleep patterns based on his sleep log.